Powerbeats Pro 2 is here. Let's unbox it. The packaging is 100% fiber-based with zero plastics. Inside, you'll find the charging case with your earbuds. There's a digital quick start guide to help you get going. You can get AppleCare Plus coverage for extra protection, and they come with a free trial of Apple Music. Underneath all that, you'll find 4 additional ear tip sizes. Be sure to find your perfect size. The right fit really improves comfort and sound quality. The redesigned case is 33% smaller, and it's our first to feature wireless charging. When you first pair them, both earbuds need to be in their case, like this. Of course, the most iconic feature of Powerbeats Pro 2 is the ear hooks. We've redesigned them to be lighter, more comfortable, and more secure. We found the easiest way to put them on is to first guide the ear hook behind your ear, then insert the buds. You can control each earbud with their B buttons and volume rockers, or use your voice. And there's more in the box than what you see. You get active noise canceling, transparency mode, and personalized spatial audio. It's also our first ever product with heart rate monitoring for workouts. The earbuds are sweat and water resistant with an IPX4 rating. And with the charging case, you can get up to 45 hours of battery life. These are the ultimate earphones for athletes.